Hey everyone, I'm going to show my animals to you guys. Sorry about that. Here's my turtle. He's a yellow belly turtle. Named him Raphael. Come on. Oh, no, you're not going on the stove. Relax. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys my dog. And these are my animals at my mom's house. Hey, Yellow. 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 Good girl. You're a good girl. Such a good girl. And then here's my devil cat right here. No. You're a bum, you know what? Oh my god. Yep, that's my devil cat. I call him that because he's like a monster, really. But his real name is Luke. That's why we named him. Me and my brother and some friends, we found his mom, and we thought she was a he, but then we realized she was a she, and then she had babies. That's when we knew she was a she. And me and my mom, we got this one. He was very quiet. He was probably the one that was like the most quiet one. He can be nice sometimes, but not always. Where's my turtle? Found you. Actually, no. I'll grab it. Good girl. Such a good girl. I don't know what he's doing. He's trying to hide in the shell. He likes to stay in the water more than on the thing we got him, so he can have some land. So he likes the water more. Found him in a different neighborhood. My grandma found him in a different neighborhood when she was mowing the lawn. And then he used to be so small. He used to be pretty much this small. And he's half the size of my hand. Come on. Hi, yo. She's a good girl. He is me. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That'd be really nice. And see ya.